Meaning of dovetail joint.
Dovetail joint.
Dovetail joint.
Dovetail joint.
Dovetail joint. The dovetail joint is a popular woodworking joint that involves fitting a series of trapezoidal-shaped projections into corresponding slots. The resulting joint is extremely strong and resistant to pulling forces. This joint is often used in cabinetry, furniture making, and other woodworking projects where strength and durability are important. When properly executed, the dovetail joint creates a beautiful, seamless connection between two pieces of wood that will last for years to come.